44 plus 36. Tens on the left, ones on the right. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. Answer is 80. 81 plus 27. Tens on the left, ones on the right. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Answer is 108.